Are you tired of dealing with stubborn fat that just doesn't seem to go away, no matter what you do? Before I share the details about the incredible Nagano Lean Body Tonic, let me tell you something important. Make sure you order through the official link in the description below. This guarantees you're getting the real product, not some fake imitation that could harm your health. Now, let's dive into what makes this tonic so special. The Nagano Lean Body Tonic is a groundbreaking formula inspired by ancient Japanese traditions. It's carefully crafted with premium, natural ingredients to help you burn stubborn fat, rejuvenate your energy levels, and improve your overall health from within. Let's take a closer look at what's inside this powerful tonic. Camu Camu, which is packed with vitamin C, supports your immune system and helps reduce inflammation. EGCG from green tea, a proven fat-burning compound, works to speed up your metabolism. Mangosteen, loaded with antioxidants, aids digestion and promotes healthy weight management. Panax ginseng provides a natural energy boost while supporting your overall well-being. Ginger and cinnamon work together to regulate blood sugar and improve digestion. Alfalfa leaf, rich in nutrients, nourishes your body and supports vitality. And the proprietary blend of 8 super antioxidants includes barley grass, spinach, blueberry, asparagus, cranberry, pomegranate, broccoli, and spirulina. Together, these ingredients detoxify your body, energize your metabolism, and leave you feeling your best. So, what benefits can you expect from the Nagano Lean Body Tonic? It helps melt away stubborn fat, especially in areas like your belly and thighs. It gives you a steady boost of energy that lasts all day. It revitalizes your overall health, leaving you feeling confident and empowered. This isn't just another quick fix. It's a complete health transformation in a bottle. To experience these incredible benefits, be sure to order only through the official link in the description below. Don't risk your health with counterfeit products. The genuine tonic is just one click away. And here's the best part. The Nagano Lean Body Tonic comes with a 100% money-back guarantee for 180 days. That's 6 months to try it with absolutely no risk. If it doesn't work for you, you'll get every penny back. Ready to take charge of your health and feel amazing? Click the official link in the description below to get your Nagano Lean Body Tonic today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.